I'm back here with another video. You may be wondering why these trees behind me are there. Because I'm at Bonita Springs Dog Park. Yup. And today, I'm gonna cross because me and my brother, we lived here for a long time. Well, he lives here more than me. Well, my sister lives here more than us three. But anyways, we always pass by the dog park every time. We'd always stop by where I'm at because we want to get across. And I see a fish in the lake. Okay. Yeah, we always want to get across. And I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it. I'm just a little scared because look. I'm not sure if you guys can see the little fishies in there. That's how I'm gonna get it across. There's some old people here too, so yeah. Like it don't care if you ain't scared. Alright guys, so let's do these. I mostly want to see what's across from here. Cause look, it's just like a bunch of trees and stuff. I want to see if there's any animals there. Like possum. Or a dog or a cat. I don't know, just anything right now. Since it's really boring here. Baduba! Badubo! I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm a little scared. Oh, up. Wait a minute. I ain't done. Just hold on. Okay, guys, we're here. I was getting kind of scared. Ah! It is scary down here. Holy crap. Imagine like a bear just comes down from like right there. That'd be freaking scary. I'd be freaked out. I'd be like, oh crap, I came down here. Alright, let's go. Ugh. Scared. Guys, if you were right here, you'd be terrified too. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. I'm really